Anand has got a chance to deliver of her speech once more in front of you. Okay, no more delay. Let's start.
Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to say something in front of audience. At first, I would like to introduce myself. I am Anand. I am a student of class 8 in Amritsar Secondary School. Today, our selected topic is aim in life. So, make no delay, let's get started. Aim in life is really important. Without aim, life is like without a rudder. A rudderless ship doesn't know where it is going. Similarly, if we don't have any aim in your life, we won't know where to reach. So you want to be successful and do something in your life. You just need to pick an aim and work for that aim. There are so many aims in human's life. I have an aim also. I want to become a pilot. And I hope I will be able to become one day. I will study for it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, actually the word able, not able. We will pronounce this word able. Okay, সবাই pronounce with me.
Yes,
able, not able. able করব না আমরা, ঠিক আছে? able. Okay, thank you. Give hand for our excellent performance.
Like others, I have also many two aims in my life. They are firstly, I want to be an honest man, and secondly, I want to be an engineer. In childhood, any child cannot see a dream or choose a aim. To do that, there is a person who show a vision to a child. Then the child see a dream or fix a aim. Similarly,
okay, stop, Alamin. Why do you like most this profession?
Yes, sir. I like this most profession engineering because I want to give service the peoples. I think engineering is a social service for the peoples. It helps peoples to save in the roads because engineers make roads very safely. I think that our country is very corrupted. There are true and honest engineer. So I want to be an engineer and give service to the people.
Okay. Do you follow any kind of engineer, famous engineer?
No, sir.
No. Actually, you will become a model for the followers.
Yes, sir.
And I hope that if you keep your promise in your mind, can develop of this profession. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And thank you. Give hand for his excellent answer. Okay, now Alamin, you can go. Actually, I would like to call the name none of you. Next, who will come here? Taz. Will you come, Taz? No. Is there anybody here? Okay, come here. Now I would like to call the name Fahim, and he will very attentive to his studies and he can perform excellent performance in front of the audiences, and all the students must keep silent when he speaks. Okay, let's start.
Thanks for giving me a chance to say something. At first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Fahim Mahmood. I read in class 8 in Amla Shodorpur Secondary School. Today's topic is my aim in my life. Let's start it. My aim in my life. A person's success in life depends on the right choice of an aim in his life. In the other words, a person's aim means to point or direct or to try with a particular goal in his mind. It to be a doctor, a pilot, a scientist, a engineer, etc. That's why I can say that every person has an aim in his life. Also, I have an aim in my life, is to be a teacher. I know many people will not agree with me to my choice, but I think teaching is a noble profession. And teachers are the nation builders. They make the nation educated. Those why I can say that the teachers are the backbone of a nation. And also my father and my mother.
So, okay. I would like to ask you about your professions. To become a good teacher, how do you play an important role in the class, and how do you help the student, all the student in the class?
I help the student.
Suppose you have completed your honors degree, master degree, and now you are involved in teaching professions. So after coming to the teaching professions, how do you help the students in the class or out of class?
I help the student very nicely. I poor student and good student. I help everyone.
Everyone. Okay, thank you. Give hand for his excellent answer. Okay. Now I would like to. Okay, thank you. Fine. Now you can go.